This video shows how to add articles in Books in order to use inventory management, the simple inventory management. The articles are handled in sales menu or purchase menu, purchase and sales articles. You will probably have more articles than just inventory articles, meaning there are three types. When you scroll to the right, you see there is a type over here. The inventory products are completed products. Then there are services and fixed assets. Every fixed asset is a separate article. If it has a type as fixed asset, then the system knows how to handle it. If the type is service, then the system will not use any inventory related checks and inventory related transactions for that. So if you have transportation or any kind of like service that you are adding, or some kind of service that has been provided to you, then this will be with a type of service. This also means that when you have your rent bill and when you're adding a purchase invoice, then the default article for these can be simply service. And then you can select the correct expense account over here. But I recommend reading more about it in the Purchase Inbox video, where this kind of expense management is described. But as said, this the goal of this video is to handle the inventory articles. So let's say that I have these products that I need to import in. I have them at Excel. I have the name, I have the product code, I have the sales price that I would like to sell them, and this is basically the last purchase price. Look through the patch rule video, then you will understand how the purchase price will be handled with the products. Basically, I can copy them and import them into Airplay Books. I just need to make sure that the alignment here is correct, meaning the code is next to name. I also had the base price, meaning the sales price, and I also had the cost of goods sold, because the cost of goods sold will be the purchase price. Once again, if you look through the batch video, then you will understand how to handle it, how the system handles it. So I'll double click on the white space, it will make me a new row, and I'll paste it, Ctrl V. Now the code must be unique, meaning that two different products cannot have the same code unless they are the same product with different batch. Meaning that if I add a new product with the code of 85, then the system will assume that this 85 and this 85 is the same, meaning that when it tries to see which batch it needs to use, then for the system the code 85 is unique, so it looks through this one. So make sure that your codes are unique. Also, I need to make sure that the type will be completed products. Select them. This could also be imported from the Excel, but I had so few of them, so I just did them manually. So this is done, and I can basically save the articles. What kind of information you can add here? First of all, you have your codes. We by default assume that the code 2 is the product type. You can manually type it, or we can set it up so that it will be selecting selectable field. If you need this, then let us know. Code 3, 4 are basically if you need some additional like codes to use on your own, and if there is a need to use inventory related dimensions, we have a separate video about that. This is basically the how to see the reports, the profit and loss statement and everything like that, by products, by product groups and so on, then you can use code 5 for additional like grouping. Here is also the batch number and best before. If you don't import them, then the system will start calculating the batch with the batch numbers that you add. So at the moment, none of these products have a batch number. So, but if you buy this product, if I go to purchase and buy this product, this component 1, and set a batch number here, then it will be saved after I save that purchase invoice into the batch code over here. Also, if you need additional like attributes for articles, then let us know. We can add volumes, meaning that how big is the volume of that product. If you want to see how if you're selling bottles and you want to see how many liters you actually sold or purchased or produced, then we can add attributes for volumes, and then we can see reports about that. But this is a separate attribute. We will have a separate video about that, so look into the article attributes video. While I was in the purchase invoice, you saw that I don't see the product code over here. So let's set it up so that you would know how it will go. Which where are you now? Yeah, here, show code in article search. This is important because you see it's a little technical, but actually it's not. If you are buying any products with the if you are buying any products, then click it through. Sounds a little silly, but what I mean is that you can use the system so that you only see the product codes when you're not using purchase inbox. So that's why this last one, no inbox. But we want to see the product codes also in purchase inbox, because you probably are buying also some products. So you want to see the codes also in purchase inbox. So let's click it through. And once this is done, and I'll refresh the page. Then in the purchase invoice, I can basically find the 85. Yeah, that's about it. Then thank you for watching.